Thanks for joining me, Mel B, and today we're going to be doing some testing of some cosmetics, and at the very end of the video I'll show you the before and after pictures of Cupping and Gua Sha 1 week later and see what's working and what isn't. Remember, this is a 30-day journey, but let's test some products now, and 5 of them, 2 of them not so great, 3 of them winner chicken dinner. Let's get started now. Mashmellow Primer with NYX, NYX NYX, and it's the Mashmellow Primer. It says to use alone or with foundation. So we are going to try this, and I'm going to put it on just one side of my face. I have already this morning done my morning routine, cleansed my face, and put on my serums, and did some cupping earlier. And it's real light. I can see why they call it marshmallow, because it's real light and marshmallow, like a marshmallow cream. So let's just put some of that on. This peeling off. So when I rub on it, when I'm trying to blend it in better, because I could see some whiteness, as if it needed to be blended in better places, and it doesn't blur or do anything in effect there. So don't see quite yet the benefit for it. We're going to put it under some makeup, see how it does under foundation. Second product I want to try, Nivea Cellular Filler. And what I want to show you is that it comes actually with this little foam pad, and that you can apply the foundation with, and it has a little place to put it so that when you use it, you're not laying it back into the product. You don't want to lay it back into the product, because it then could transfer, since you've been putting it on your face, it could be transferring oils and bacteria back into the product. So I like that about it. It does have a makeup, and you open it, and you can see that the makeup is kind of spongy. Take your powder puff, put it down in there, and pick up the makeup, and then press it on. And then the color I got in this, it comes in 01, 02, and 03. This was light to medium, 02. It looks like it's close to the skin color. It may be a little more yellow than I would like. What I see is on top of this product, see there's this primer underneath it is peeling. Sometimes products don't work with other products, and it may be this is the case, that this primer isn't going to work with the serums that I like to use in the morning. I haven't had that reaction yet to anything else I've used. On this one, I'm seeing that happen, and I thought, well, maybe it'll be something like a BB cream or CC, DD, BB. There's so many different ones now. But see that? I see peeling. Oh, no. I'm going to do a close-up here, but this over my serums is peeling and splotchy, and it's not going on nice at all. And when I rub my finger across it, it feels, see that? It feels like it's sandy, and it's just peeling off. And it can't just be the serums, because I use those serums every day, and I use other foundation products and primers, and I have no problem whatsoever. Moisturizer. So I'm going to go and wash my face off. I do still want to try this product. I believe in these so much, and I'm going to reapply my serums, but then I'll put this moisturizer on, and then I'll put on this foundation again. We're going to see what happens. So this is Test Product Tuesday, so we're testing it out. So hang with me, and we're going to see if this works. I have many other products that I think will be successful, so hang with me. Let me go wash my face. I'll be right back. I'm going to still go back. My face is clean now. What I want to try to do is seeing how these, because this is what I normally wear under my makeup, so I want to see how this is going to do with the products being compatible, to see how this as a barrier works with it. I do love the scent of this Nivea Cellular. I'm going to try this again, since these complement each other. Pat this down. This time we're going to put it on full face. Now I have to say that this, with that moisturizer, does appear to lay down without peeling. I'm not seeing any peeling like I did with the other primer and with just the serums underneath it. And to me, if something takes this much effort, then chances are I'm not going to use it again. I'm still going to wear it throughout the day and see how it settles into the skin after we add some other products and use a setting spray. Will it melt into the skin and everything go together? Well, we're just going to see. We're just going to see how that goes. We gave it our best shot. I'll tell you more after we apply the rest of my makeup, what I'm experiencing, the good, the bad, and the beautiful. The next thing I want to show you from Nivea Cellular that I've shown you before but absolutely love, and it is the concealer. So some of those areas that it didn't quite cover the redness, I always like to put it in the corner of my mouth here, and I love that concealer. It's really light. I feel like it does live up to what it says it's going to do with filling fine lines. It never looks cakey. It just brightens for me. I don't have dark circles, but I do have fine lines, and just still can always use some brightening. Clickable like a pen, and just pushes the product down into the foam. This next product that we're going to test out is called NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen in Taupe. Ooh, that's a really nice tip on that. It is really, really fine. It's a liquid, but the tip on that is super. I have white hair in my eyebrow. The white hair takes this color of this taupe, and the liquid formulation of this, super nice. And the time it takes to film this today, we'll be able to see how it holds up. But I like that. I really like it. It's not cakey, it's not building up like the pomades and the waxiness, and it goes on the skin nicely. So let's go ahead and put it on the other side. Even with just doing this, looking straight on, you can see how nice this is, that doing the arch up and kind of over, not just really dragging down with the point of your eyebrow, but arching it up and back some. It really helps to lift the eye, gives you that natural eye lift. And I have the challenge because this arch is not as defined as this one. First one up as a winner is our NYX Lift and Snatch, and you can see the brows. It went on very nice. It went on light. It's not heavy. It doesn't cake. It makes the white hairs take the color. It's a great product so far. Go ahead and put on some other makeup. See how it sits on top of this foundation. I'm going to use a bronzer, a blush, some powder, and then some eyeshadow, and then we'll get 2 other products we're going to test out. So we're going to stick with me, and we'll test out 2 more after I get my makeup done. Now that I've put some makeup on and have put on some matte powder from CATRICE, I do feel like that the makeup is starting to settle in, and I like the look better. by Kiss. It's a lash adhesive glue liner. So it's for your lashes, and it's got the adhesive in your liner all together. And it does look very black, like your other marker liners. And I'm going to show you one of the things I do as well when I'm putting on makeup. I like to support, especially something like this, as I put my mirror down below, closer to my chin, and look down into it, and then I can support my hand either on the mirror itself, or when I go to the other eye, you'll see I'll put the back of my hand on this palm holding the mirror. And that's something I learned. My mother's an artist, and that's one of the things I learned for her, how to steady your hand when you're painting, of putting just the palm of your hand down on the palette to paint or to draw, and it helps the same way on this canvas of your face. It goes on really nice. It's a really good, nice formulation. It's going down really well. Very black. And that is a really nice liner. So let's see how it does with putting the lash down. And again, I'm just going to look down in the mirror. Okay. I don't know if you saw that, but that went on really nice. It just grabbed to it immediately. That's the easiest I think I've ever put on a lash. I've been around a while and I've been doing lashes. And that went down remarkably easy. Lash glue liner from Kiss. It's a nice eyeliner, and that lash grabbed it. Let's do it again. That was fantastic. Most often nail glue makes my eyes very sensitive, that I start tearing up. I don't feel any, I'm trying to get my mirror. I don't feel any irritation towards into my eyes. I'm not tearing. So there again, that is a huge, huge winner for me. It's just like the lash just wanted to jump into it. No effort. Just automatically. This isn't magnetic. This isn't magnetic lashes. It's not magnetic glue. It is a liner, black. It's a black liner with glue in it. Look at that. They went on beautiful. Just like they leapt for the liner. Kiss, and NYX is killing it. One of the NYX products didn't kill it, but you guys all know that I love NYX. I've used them in my other videos, but these so far are the big winners. Eyes are done, makeup's on, and you see what I have to do with my white hair up here. As the makeup has warmed up with the other products and with the setting spray, it does look better, but we are going to wear it through the day to see how it actually wears. Alright, so now we're going to test this lip liner from NYX, and I wanted to get a color that was really close to my lip color because I'm going to overdraw my lips for a pouty, fuller lip. No fillers for this girl. I'm not going to get fillers into my lips, so I want to try a pencil to see if overdrawing, you need to use something that's very close to your own lip color so it looks natural. And this particular name of this pencil is, by NYX, is Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and Definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Color Lip Liner. This lip liner is so good, the name had to be this long. So that's the name of it, and we're going to see just how good it is. And it does look like it's creamy when I put it on my skin. It's nice and creamy. And that's rubbing it. So let's see how good that is. Crazy. So let's see how good this is. So remember, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. You watch along with me. And I'm going to overline my lips. And you see I have a Cupid's bow. So I want to get that more upward filled look, and so I am going to fill in that Cupid's bow. Get this top line, I'm going to stretch my lips out. Really good. This is a good match for the color that my lips are naturally. You see when I pull this down, it matches the inside. Nice. Our third winner for the day. So we had two that weren't fantastic and two that are winner chicken dinner. Love them. And I am going to have to say, with these brows, the lash liner glue, and these lips, I couldn't be happier today with finding 3 of the 5 products we tested, that these worked so well. See that? No transfer. Put a little bit of gloss and see what happens, because sometimes you can put on a liner or you can put on a lip ink and then you put a gloss over it and then it just starts breaking apart. Let's see what happens. We're going to see how this works on top of it, and we'll just see how that wears with the lip liner. Does it peel? Does it begin to take away the effect of the stay all day? It is a lip liner. Super happy with the products we tested today. 2 of them I know didn't work out fantastic from the get-go, but I do believe I'll work with them to see how they work in combinations with other products. And then the 3 that I just am over the moon with, the eyebrow pen, the eyeliner glue, and the lip liner. Fantastic. Love them, love them, love them. And I think you would too. Try them out. I'll link it below. And now I'm going to show you, as soon as you subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up, our before and after picture of me 1 week later doing Gua Sha and cupping and our serums. Here you go. Thanks again, guys. And here's the pictures. Before and after. Doei doei, tot ziens. Be sure to subscribe. Bye guys.